So, guys, what do you prefer, city life or country life?
Oh, that's a tough one. I grew up in the city, so I'm used to hustle and bustle. But lately, I've been craving some peace and quiet.
I heard you, Albert. I was born and raised in the country, and there's nothing like the fresh air and wide open space. But sometimes I miss the convenience and excitement of city living.
Yeah, I get what you both mean. If live in both the city and the country at different point in my life, it's has its charm for sure.
Exactly, in the city, there's always something happening, new restaurant to try, even to attend, but it can get overwhelming sometimes.
That's true. In the country, things move at the slower pace, and you really get the connect with nature. But I can feel isolated at times, especially if you use the social scanner in the city.
I guess it ultimately comes down to what your priorities in life. If you value confidence and excitement, the city might be your best bet. But if peace and tranquility are more your style, then the country is where it's at.
That's a good point, Sam. I think it also depends on what stage of life you're in. When I was younger, I loved to the city, but now that I'm getting older, the idea of living in the country sounds more appealing.
Yeah, priority definitely shift as we grow older, and your lifestyle change. But regardless of where we live, I think it's important to find a balance between the two. Maybe live in the city, but escape to the country for weekend getaways.
Agree, variety is the spice of life. After all, and luckily, we live in a world where we can experience the best of both worlds if we cost to.
Absolutely. At the end of the day, it's all about finding what makes us happy and fulfills us, whether that's in the city or the countryside.
We said Albert, so shall we plan weekend getaway to the countryside to rechange and reconnect with nature? Yeah.
Sounds like a plan. Let's escape the city hustle and bustle for a while.
Count me in. I can't wait to breathe in the fresh country air.
And it's interesting to think about how our work life fit into this. City jobs are often faster paced and might offer more career opportunities, which is a big draw for some.
True, and telecommuting is changing that landscape a bit, allowing more people to live in the country without sacrificing their city career. That could be the best of both worlds.
And not let forget about the cultural aspect. Cities usually have more diverse population, which means exposure to different cultures, cuisines, and way of life.
That diversity also means better resources like museum, theater, and galleries. But then, the tranquility of the country inspires its own kind of creativity, doesn't it?
Absolutely, there's something about being surrounded by nature that can really full artistic expression. Just look at the famous writers and painters who did their best work in rural settings.
Yes, and I think personal health plays a big role too. City living can be stressful with the noise and crowd. It seems like in the country, it might be easier to lead a healthier lifestyle. with more space for physical activities and less population.
Right. The mental health benefits alone are good plus for country living, but urban environment can stimulate the mind in unique way, which is also beneficial.
It's all about what fits the individual as supports. For some, the energy of the city fuels them, while others need the peace of the country to recharge.
Maybe that's why having access to both environments, like you mentioned, Sam, can provide such a rich and balanced lifestyle. You get stimulated but also have a retreat.
Exactly. Planning those retreats can make city living even more enjoyable. It's like having an escape valve when the pressure gets too much.
Speaking of which, how about we put that weekend getaway on our calendars? I think we are could use a break to enjoy some quiet and scenery.
Let's do it. A little time in the country might give us a fresh perspective.
Agreed. And it'll be a great way for us to burn outside of our usual cityscape. Looking forward to it, guys.